This is the clever one, a brilliantly designed tiny home that fits everything you need into just 300 square feet. Built in Kansas, it's compact, cozy, and full of smart design choices. Inside, you'll find a full-size kitchen with modern appliances, a spacious loft bedroom, and a bright, open living area. There's even room for a washer and dryer, all in a layout that feels bigger than it looks. Large windows, clean finishes, and functional design make this home perfect for full-time living or a weekend getaway. The clever one doesn't just look good, it works hard too. From a full bathroom to plenty of hidden storage, every detail is thoughtfully planned. This tiny home is made for comfort, freedom, and simple living. Whether you're dreaming of downsizing or starting your tiny house journey, the clever one shows that small can be smart and beautiful. Like, subscribe, and join us for more stunning tiny homes across the USA. This is Tiny House Big Adventure. Thanks for watching.